Hey, what's up, everyone? Just doing my bi-weekly update on the Take-Two investment now. The stock continues to decline. Looking at the chart we're just looking at the last 2 weeks section. During the 2 weeks, we hit a low of 121.15, a high of 125.33. So throughout the week, the 2 weeks, we've had a range of $4.18. We should note that today it closed at $122.78 per share. That's $6.10 under the buying price from about 2 months ago, which that's about a 5% loss at this point. With Take-Two not having any big releases coming in the near future, I don't see what's possibly going to bring that stock back up other than them possibly having some updates to some of their games, some DLCs, some downloadable content that brings some new life to games that they already have existing. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So we'll be finishing up my 30 days or my 90 days fairly soon, and at that point I may move some of it around. That's all there really is to report at this point. One other thing I will note is I bought 60 shares of Ubisoft a while back, and I believe they released Ghost Recon Breakpoint, I think it was. Ubisoft stock is down significantly as well, so it may be that there's a trend in the video gaming industry right now. With the Christmas season around, you'd think that there'd be a bunch of new releases that are getting ready to come out. It doesn't look like there's a lot of hype around it, so we're just going to have to wait and see. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned. I will get back in 2 weeks, and we'll see where we're at then.